everyone, my name is Roshni. I'm a photographer and I come from an MBA finance background. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume in just a few minutes using Adobe Express. Let's go. Step 1. Go to adobe.com/express. Step 2. In the search bar, type resume. Here you will find a wide variety of resumes and even options based on different job profiles. Step 3. Choose a template that matches your style, whether minimal, creative, or professional. The templates are so perfect that I hardly make any changes apart from adding my own information.
For example, let's look at the social media manager resume.
Simply replace the placeholder details with your name, contact info, and career details. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even add your photo. Rearranging sections like skills, education, and experience is as easy as drag and drop. Step 4. Make sure your design is clean and easy to read. Add a personal touch like a color accent or icon that highlights your personality. This way, your resume not only looks professional but also stands out. Step 5. When you're done, just hit download. You can save your resume as a PDF or image file and you're ready to apply anywhere. That's how easy to design a professional resume with Adobe Express. Try Adobe Express now. The website link is in the caption. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.